I'm going to show you how you can set an auto-delete or self-destroy chat on Telegram in just a few steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So this is very useful and it's very easy. It will help you with your privacy. So all you need to do is go to the chat you want to self-destroy, click right here, then on the three dots right here, and you will see the option to auto-delete. So just click right there and you can see auto delete messages. This will automatically delete new messages for you and the person you want after a certain period of time. So right here you can set for example, after 1 day the messages will be deleted. So if you send a message, it will be self-destroyed after 24 hours. You can do this and save, or you can also set a self-destruct timer for all your messages. You can set after 1 day, after 1 week, 1 month, or a custom time. So that's it. This will be enabled for all your chats. But you can also do it just with a chat with the method I showed earlier. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.